Is I'm audible to all? And board is visible to all? Okay? Okay. I think you all have solved all these examples. So in case of first example, what is the product? In case of first example, what is the product? So this is carbon-carbon double bond and this is the terminium double bond. Okay. If here what happens, if you see at the termini of this double bond, one chlorine is on right hand side, another one is on left hand side. So in conrotation, what is the product or what kind of product we will get? So this double bond forms broken and forms new sigma bond over here, and here this double bond will shifted one position to another. This is the double bond, new sigma bond developed, and the stereochemistry of both the chlorines are on opposite side. Suppose this is the chlorine on back side, we can say this chlorine is must be on front side. So one is back side, another is front side. Conrotation, opposite side group appears opposite side in the product. In conrotation, opposite side group appears opposite in the product. In this rotation, the opposite side group appears same side in the product. So we may write it as like this. Both the chlorine with solid wedge line are the product of this rotation, or we can say we will get here another diastereomer. This is Cl, this one is C. This in reactant, both the chlorines are on opposite side. This rotation they appears on same side. In product they will appear on same side. When we react or when we do the conrotation of by same reactant, what happens? The trans groups appear trans. That is, the stereochemistry is conserved. The stereochemistry is preserved in conrotation, and the stereochemistry is opposite in this rotation. In similar fashion, in similar manner, if we write the product of another reaction, this reaction, you know this both the methyl group, this is the termini of unsaturation. One methyl group is on right hand side, another methyl group is on left hand side. Then what happens? On conrotation, they will appear on different side. On this rotation, they will appear on same side. तो यहाँ पर देखिए, ये जो मिथाइल ग्रुप है इस टर्मिनी को देखेंगे कि वो कैसा है. ऑब्जर्वर यहाँ पर खड़ा हुआ है तो वो एक राइट हैंड साइड को है, ये मिथाइल ग्रुप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. देन इन प्रोडक्ट हियर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू सिग्मा बॉन्ड. यहाँ से यहाँ एक बॉन्ड शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. दिस बॉन्ड विल शिफ्टेड ओवर हियर, दिस बॉन्ड विल शिफ्टेड ओवर हियर. सो दिस टू pi bonds are shifted. Formation of new sigma bond. Both the methyl groups are trans. In product, they will appear cis. In product, they will appear cis. We can write them as a like this. हम उसको ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. Both the methyl groups are on same side. Both the hydrogens are on opposite side. Both the methyl groups are on same side and hydrogens appears on opposite side. Okay. On this rotation, or we can write it as a we can say wedge formula. In wedge formula, how can we write? Both the methyl groups on same side by either solid wedge line or by either dashes wedge line. हम इसको solid wedge या dashes wedge से भी represent कर सकते हैं. तो ये दोनों एक ही स्ट्रक्चर. These two are one and the same structure. One and the same structure. So what happened with the non-rotation? Trans, both the methyl groups are on opposite side. In product also they will appear on opposite side. In product also they will appear on opposite side. So here two double bonds, one will shifted on one position, another is on another. Methyl groups are trans, so they will appear trans in the product also. So both the methyl groups are trans. Here trans will get converted into cis, trans will get converted into trans. So whenever the stereochemistry of starting material and stereochemistry of products are same, at that time what you have to do? You have to say here the rotation should be common. And when the stereochemistry at the termini of unsaturation is opposes in the stereochemistry of product, at that time what happens? At that time we can say this rotation will take place. At that time we can say this rotation will take place. So I think you have already done this homework. Okay? So those they have confused or they have not done, they have to write it again. Okay? Those people they have not completed, they have to write in their notebook. So I will write the product of again this reaction. Both the chlorines are on same side. On this rotation, what happened? On this rotation, they will appear on same. We can say opposite side. So I will write here. Suppose here CHCl, and this one becomes ClCH. They are on same side. This rotation will appear on opposite side. Or we can also write this as a, this is the cyclobutane, and here the one chlorine is on front side, another chlorine is on back side. Why? Because at the termini this chlorine and this chlorine both are on same side, right hand side. Here one chlorine is on back. On cross rotation both are on same side. Here there is double bond. Here hydrogen, here chlorine. Another one, और we can also represent this. हम इसको ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, both the chlorines are on same side. Both the chlorines are on same side. Again, con rotation preserves the stereochemistry. This rotation opposes the stereochemistry. The same thing is happened over here. Both the methyls are on same side. On this rotation, they will appear on opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 carbon is there. This double bond 2 are shifted on adjacent position. Here this methyl group, suppose this is on same side, they will appear on opposite side. अच्छा इधर CH3 यहाँ पर है, CH3 तो यहाँ पर होगा H. Or we can write it as a which formula? One is front side, another one is back side. Then for this, on con rotation, same side group appears on opposite side at the termini of unsaturation. And remember one thing that this could be happen at the termini of unsaturation. ये कब होगा? बेटा ये कब होगा? ये termini of unsaturation पर ही होगा. अगर यहाँ पर कहीं पर कोई unsaturation पर कोई substituent है, वहाँ stereochemistry का कोई change नहीं होगा. Okay? The stereochemistry will differ at the termini of unsaturation. बेटा stereochemistry will differ at the termini of unsaturation. During con rotation, CH3 group are on same side. In product, they will appear on same side. During con rotation, both the hydrogens are on same side. They will appear on same side in the product also. और कैसा लिख सकते हैं इसको? How can we write again it in another fashion, in another way? One methyl group on front side, another is also on front side. Or both the methyl groups are on back side. Both the methyl groups are on back side. Means in reactant they are same side, in reactant they are on same side, in product also they will appear on same side. If the question is given like this, I think you have all written on these examples. Those They are absent in previous lecture. They have to write all this example. They must know what are the conrotation. They must know what are the disrotation. For this, you have to see my previous videos, either in the Teachment app, or you have to see the videos or on YouTube on the CameCare Academy channel. On the CameCare Academy channel, you have to see all previous videos or all previous lectures. Okay. So we'll move toward the next point. If the question is asked like this, I will rub all these things. Question is asked like this: find the correct option in the following example. Okay, here double bond, here double bond, and here another. And they have given you a product. They have already given you a product. And your product is this one. And here both the hydrogens appear on same side. Both the hydrogens are appear on same side. So we can say, you have to see that here there is the terbinia unsaturation, formation of this sigma bond over here, and these two pi bonds are shifted lines. So here you have to find the a type of rotation takes place in this reaction. So what kind of rotation is takes place in this reaction? It is con rotation or disrotation. Here what you have given, reactant and products are given. Stereochemistry is also there for reactant and product. So you just find the what kind of rotation takes place in this example. Yes? So you see here, this is the double bond, this is the carbon-carbon double bond, this is the termini of that double bond. This hydrogen is on which side? अगर यहाँ पर कोई खड़ा है ऑब्जर्वर, तो ये हाइड्रोजन कौन से हैंड साइड को इसके? The hydrogen is on right hand side and this hydrogen is on left hand side. It means both the hydrogens is on or are on opposite side. तो जो हाइड्रोजन है ये कैसे है? The hydrogen are on opposite side. And in product they will appear on which side? They will appear on same side. Okay? प्रोडक्ट में वो कैसे दिख रहा है? वो सेम साइड है. रिएक्टेंट में वो अपोजिट साइड. तो याद रखिए, you just remember one thing, that the cyclic alkenes are generally a cis alkene, and the hydrogen of terminal and the hydrogen at the termini are actually trans. The hydrogen at the termini are actually trans. वो कैसे होते हैं? हाइड्रोजन ट्रांस होते हैं. The termini hydrogen of alkenes are trans. Whenever the alkene is cyclic alkene, हम इसी एग्जांपल को ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. This is the case. What happened? You just see this hydrogen. This is where it is on right hand side, and this hydrogen is on. This is the termini of double bond, left hand side. So we can say these two hydrogens are on opposite side. In product they will appear on same side. Then what kind of rotation? The rotation is beta disrotation. द रोटेशन इज दिस रोटेशन. ठीक है, रोटेशन कैसा होगा? दिस रोटेशन. आंसर क्या रहेगा इसका? आंसर इज दिस रोटेशन. आंसर इज दिस रोटेशन. ऑप्शन बहुत सारे दिए जाएंगे. इसकी बात करते हैं. Here double bond, single bond, double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this case, find the product or find the rotation B, and here they have given you a product like this. Double bond. Here this is the H and here this is the H. On similar fashion, they have given you option C. Find the rotation. One hydrogen is on top phase, another is on bottom. Predict the rotation. Find the rotation. Then what you have see over here? This hydrogen is on right hand side. Here what happened? This is the CH2. So here it has one hydrogen. So both the hydrogen are on same side. In product, they will appear on same side. What it indicates? It indicates the answer for this B is and what is C? Which kind of rotation takes place in B? Which kind of rotation will take place in C? Yes. In case of C, this rotation is there. Very good, beta Ishraq. Very good. In case of B, con rotation takes place. Very good. Very good, Namira, Bisma. Okay, Rohat is there. So everyone is giving answer, and that is very good. That is fantastic. That's very fine. So B is nothing but here what happened? Con rotation is there. Con rotation takes place. And here in C, in case of C, this rotation. And beta, this question is already asked in previous. This question was already asked in previous GATE examination, that you have to just find the type of rotation via just observing the reactant and product. You can just find the type of rotation takes place via just observing the starting material and product, Okay? So you have to answer such types of questions. They are asked in previous GATE examination. Similar kind of question is also asked in previous NET examinations. Okay? So we'll move toward the next point. I think all of you understand up till this. Can I give another question to you? Can you solve? Definitely you will solve them very easily. If we have double bond here, CH3, here CH3 positive, CH3, and here R. So from this if we will get product, this one, CH3 and CH3, and this is the R group which bearing the positive charge. So this is a, you have to again find the type of rotation takes place over here. This is the positively charged species which is acting as a starting material that we have already said in the characteristics of pericyclic reaction, that positively charged species may be acting as a starting material, but we will not get any kind of intermediate during pericyclic reaction. So can you judge the rotation takes place in between these two examples, beta? What kind of rotation takes place with A? So I will give you some options over here again. So option number first, A is con rotation, and option number first में B is a dis rotation. In option number second, A is dis rotation and B is equal to con rotation. In option number third, beta, A is con rotation and B is equal to also con rotation, and in option number 4, A will takes place with dis rotation and B also takes place with dis rotation. So which option is correct? Which option is correct? Very good. Very good. I think you have understood up till now what happens on con rotation and what happens on dis rotation. So here, in case of first, both the methyl groups are on opposite side. Okay. In case of first, both the methyl groups are on opposite side. In product, they will appear on same side. It means dis rotation will take place. And in second case, what happened? Both the methyl groups are on opposite side, but in product they will appear on opposite side. It means con rotation is there. And we have already discussed that con rotation preserves the stereochemistry. Con rotation preserves stereochemistry. Dis rotation opposes stereochemistry. Con rotation preserves stereochemistry. Dis rotation opposes stereochemistry. So in case of second, stereochemistry is written. So we can say second is con rotation, and the option correct one is second one. The correct option is second one. Write directly the ring opening reaction. The similar fashion, the things are happened with ring closure reaction. So this is the starting material. Here one double bond at the termini of unsaturation. Here what we have one negative charge at the termini of unsaturation. In similar fashion, if the starting material is like this, okay? If the starting material is like this, here phenyl ring, क्या होता है? ये इधर देखो ना, CO2 B, ओके? हम इसको ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है? इसी स्ट्रक्चर को हम ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. This is negative charge, this is C double bond O, O, E. Both the structures are same, and from this, if we get this product, this is the A type of rotation, and if we get this product, another one, this is the B type of product. This one becomes negative charge. Both the CO2 EP groups are on same side. Both the CO2 EP groups are on same side. In another case, this is vinyl ring. Here it is negative charge, and both the CO2 EP group are on opposite side. So, what kind of rotation takes place in case of A? In case of B. So what kind of rotation takes place over here? So here what happens? Both the CO2 groups are on same side.